Hello everyone. Today we are looking at the Ford that was used in the original All Creatures Great and Small opening credits, where they drive through it creating a little splash. This is a popular site for fans visiting the area when in the North Yorkshire Dales. This really is a lovely place. It's just so quiet and peaceful here. If you ever visit here, you simply must go to Thirsk, where you can see the James Herriot Museum, which was the original practice. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and maybe leave a comment. Thank you. I'll see you on the next adventure.